Right, so rear wiper's also knackered. Spins the whole way around without doing anything. We'll just have a quick look and see what's going on with that. Okay. See if it's the if it just wasn't put on properly, or well, I suspect it's completely plastic. The internal plastic bit where it grips is just shagged, worn out. So we'll see, but I think that's what it is. Alright, so that's that off. Right, I need a little puller there, don't I? I need a little puller of some description, I think. Oh yeah, right. So that's a new wiper as well. A new rear wiper. But it looks like that's cracked there. Do you see? That's cracked there, and that is allowing it just to spin. So I think even if I was just to force that off, whoops, yeah, it needs to come off. I'm going to have to break that to break that off, but it's got to come off anyway. I think. Yeah, it's knackered there. You see? Yeah. Right, I'll get the little pry bar and see if we can pry it off. Alright, just get a little pry bar on it there. There you go. Oh, I probably need yeah. Yes, effing effed. Completely, utterly knackered that is. Yeah, there's no point filming this, Patrick. It's just me struggling to get this off.
Okay, sure.
Eternity later.
Go.
Okay, I'll just get a wire brush to it and just see if we can just fix what's going on here. Okay, no, not going to go too crazy on it. Just a little bit of this as well. There's a little bit of this. Okay.
This.
See it's coming?
Yep.
It's going to make a mess, but hey. I think what's supposed to happen is it's supposed to pull off, but you can see that it isn't.
The following day.
So I had real problems getting this rear windscreen wiper off. It completely pulled out from the arm. It's completely gone. I don't know if you can see it there. The plastic's destroyed, and it's left behind this this sort of knurled nut that is absolutely welded on. I've tried everything. I've tried pullers which don't fit because of the length of this, and you know, mole grips, locking pliers, you know, and lubricant sprays and all. It's not coming off. So what I've started on, I'll just show you the finish of it now, is hacksawing it off. So I'm just hacksawing there, and just try not to do any damage to the actual windscreen wiper itself. Like it's down there to the thing. I must have got a sharper blade than that. That's a bit rubbish. Just got to watch the windscreen washer jet because it is only plastic. Might stop sawing there and just get a... Okay, I've got a bit of a... There we go. So that's what it looks like there. I can see I have gone into the plastic a wee bit. I'm hoping maybe I can pull that off now. And you can just see I've just sawn into the plastic there, which is what I was worried about. Okay, I'll give that a crack with a pair of mole grips. Right, it's fairly hard to do. I'm going to get these mole grips here, give them a go. See if that'll... Might need just to put another little line in it with a hacksaw. It still looks wedge tight. So these are just ordinary ice grips now. Right. Still gripping up to dear life. I'm just doing a bit of that plastic. Just have to break the bloody thing. Oh yes, moving now. There, as you can see. Right, let's get that up here. Right, I have sawn between that and then a big massive gap emerged and I went to turn it. So let's just zoom out here for a sec. Alright, that's as far out as it goes. So I've sawn a gap and then as I twisted, that's come off there now. So that's it completely off. You can see there, I'll just need to clean that up. And I think I'll stick some copperies or something on there for the next one. And obviously you're going to have to order a new wiper blade mechanism online. Alright.
4 to 6 days later.
Okay, so that's it all cleaned up. What I'm going to do is put a tiny bit of copperies on here so the next wiper we put on doesn't jam on the same way that the last one did. This is the part that came. It's just the arm itself. You can see how it differs from the last one. There's the thing is properly in the hole there, and on the last one it come out of the hole altogether. So I'm going to put a little bit of whatever's left of my finger of the copperies in there, and then we'll put this on. It goes, stand here. It goes to the. Oh, do you know what? Before we do that, we'll just put the windscreen wiper. We'll click that into place. Okay, so it just clicks there because it just came with a bare wiper, and that just has to go onto there, right? So it just goes like that. That's it. And you put the wiper on, and you can, if that's gone, which this one's on its way out, you can replace these, get those from Alpha to wherever. Right, so let's get this on. The wiper on the Mini goes to, if you're standing at the back of it, goes to the left hand side. I'm just going to put it about there, sort of level on the left. It's a 13 mil bolt. Over tighten that, just enough so it holds its position. Yeah, that's it. Otherwise it will become a nightmare to get off next time. Okay, so that's there.
I'll just show you working. Just stay away from it because it's going to squirt water.
Alright, does it look right? Yeah, and just come into there, looks fine.